Hi guys, welcome back, and for those that are new, my name is Anna, and in this video we are going to be unboxing a Gucci belt. And I feel like this Gucci belt is a little bit different because most people buy the black Gucci belt and the black chunky Gucci belt, and this is not it. This is something different. So if you are interested in seeing what I'm unboxing, please keep watching. So here's the box, and quick disclaimer, this box did not come directly from a store. This came directly from a friend of mine that she gets discounts from certain stores and brands. So I told her, please, can you get me the Gucci belt I've been meaning to purchase? And I sent her the size, I sent her the picture, and she got it for me, and she mailed it herself from Texas. You know who you are, thank you so much. And she mailed it to me, and yeah, just open it up here. So I really appreciate that my friend got me this because I saved some money. So who doesn't like that? And I might order more stuff. I started with the belt, and maybe I just don't want to bother her. But I might get more stuff, who knows. So here I have the box finally, and it comes with the ribbon that says Gucci on it. And let me open the box. These boxes are like impossible to open. Bag. So it comes with the little bag. And can you guess what color it is? So it's the brown thin one. Let me just show it to you real quick. So my size, it's so cute. I like this brown. My size is a size 85. Yeah, so this is a little different from the black one I have. So I have the black one somewhere around here. So I have this one, right? It's the same exact one, but when you compare them, I keep getting hair on my mouth. When you compare them, they are a little bit different. Notice that the brown one is a little bit like, the border is a little bit distressed. So that is different from the regular black one. It changes colors throughout, like it's not just one solid color. Because here you can see how the border is different. Now, the reason why I always buy the thin one is because I think this one looks just more sophisticated and not so in your face like the thicker one. So I do like a more subtle look. Like, I like logos, but not like too much of it, and I don't like too big either. So I think this one is, you know, the best option for me. These belts are also good for like high-waisted or when you wear a dress and you want to cinch it in the waist. These are great for it. And yeah, I can't wait to use this one, even though it's the same as the black one, but hey, it's a different color, right? And that is it for this Gucci unboxing. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I am a size, what size am I? My name is Anna, and that is it for the Gucci. We call my sister Gucci. Gucci, not Coochie, Coochie Cooch.